Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Unit 10, Day 7. We're still working on I can graph a quadratic by factoring. Okay, getting prepared for the test Friday and our final next week. So we're just going to look at a couple examples. The first one was one that I noticed a lot of students struggled with today. So let's say we have x squared, or y equals 2x squared plus 10x. Okay, so following those steps that we saw in the worksheet, is there a GCF? Yes, 2x goes into both, so we have 2x times x plus 5. Okay, we're going to set this equal to 0 to use that zero product property. Okay, then all you have to do is set these two parts equal to 0. 2x equals 0. And x plus 5 equals 0. So, x is 0, or x is negative 5. Okay, so making our little teeny tiny table, x, y. So here's our two first values, 0, negative 5, and y is 0 for each of those. Okay, then we need that vertex. Okay, that vertex is where we average those 0 plus negative 5 over 2. That's negative 5 over 2. That's doable. That's negative 2.5. Okay, not ideal, but you can totally do that. We're going to plug that back in to our equation then. 2 times negative 2.5 squared plus 10 times negative 2.5. Okay, and we've got a value of negative 12.5. So we come over to our graph. We've got 3 points. Okay, so we're going to need 12 little tally marks here. So we're going to go a little smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, it's going to be a little bit further than that, but that's okay. All right, negative 2 is, or 0 is at 0, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 0, and then 2.5. That's like right in between, and it's going to be way down here. So, making our U. Whoop, there you have it. Okay, I've got 2 for you to practice, and that's, so what I would like you to try is the following. You try. All right, you try out x squared minus 12x plus 20 equals y. Okay, so try that out, factor, graph, give it all you got. Okay, then for those of you kind of bored with that, you can work on a challenge. Okay, so pick one of these to try to graph. Okay, here is a challenge problem for you. 10x squared minus 14x plus 4 equals 0. Okay, so I'm going to give you a little hint there. If you're doing the challenge one, first you got to take out a 2. So you'd have 5x squared minus 7x plus 2. This should not be equal to 0. It should start as equal to y, and then we set it equal to 0. Okay. For this one, hint, you're going to need to use AC. So if you're studying and getting ready for retest on Wednesday, might be great to try that out. Otherwise, go ahead and try the other problem. All right, have a great night, and we will see you tomorrow.